everyone! Welcome to our podcast. Today, we are going to talk about something that many students have struggled. Our challenges while learning TOEFL in class. Before we begin, let me introduce today's speakers. I am Sophie as your host. Joining me today are Nazwa Azka, Shifa Nur, and Mutiara Ramdhani. As we know, TOEFL is an English test that helps measure our English skills. But honestly, learning TOEFL isn't always easy. Each section has its own difficulty, and we all have different experiences. So, in this podcast, we'd like to share some of the challenges we faced and also how we tried to overcome them. Hopefully, our experiences can be helpful for anyone who is also preparing for TOEFL. Alright, let's get started. First, I'd like to ask Mutiara, what was the biggest challenge you experienced while learning TOEFL?
Thank you. For me, the biggest challenge was the listening section. The speaker often talked very quickly, and sometimes I could not get important information. Different accents also made it difficult for me to understand the conversation and lectures. To improve, I tried listening to English podcasts and watching English videos more often.
Okay, I think many students can relate to that because the listening section can be quite tricky. Now, let's move on to Shifa. How about you? Which section was the most challenging for you?
In my experience, the reading section was the most difficult. The passages were long and had many new words. Sometimes I spent too much time on one passage, so I could finish all the questions. To improve, I read English articles and learn new vocabulary every day.
Okay, that's a good point. Reading long passages while managing your time is definitely not easy. Okay, now it's Nazwa's turn. Could you tell us about the biggest challenge you faced?
For me, the chapter and written expression section was the hardest. I was often confused by grammar rules such as tenses and subject-verb agreement. Even after learning them, I still made mistakes. To improve, I practice more grammar exercises and learn from my mistakes.
Okay, grammar is something that many English learners struggle with. So, I'm sure your experience will be helpful for others. Thank you everyone for sharing your experiences. Listening to all of you reminds me that I also had some challenges while learning TOEFL. Personally, I found the listening sections quite difficult because the speakers talk very fast. And sometimes I missed important information. I also found the structure and written expression sections challenging because I was often confused about grammar rules, especially tenses and sentence structure. Even though it wasn't easy, I believe that with regular practice, we can slowly improve our TOEFL skills. From our discussions today, we learned that students often struggle with listening comprehension, reading passages, vocabulary, grammar, and time management. However, with consistent practice and determination, these challenges can be overcome. Thank you for listening to our podcast. We hope our experiences can motivate other students who are also learning TOEFL. See you in our next episode. Goodbye.